Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to update TikTok to newest version in 2024. Now, just like update videos that we've had, I'm going to preface this by saying that your phone, whether you're using an Android device or you're using an iPhone, an Apple device, for the most part, especially the newer models, they will update all the apps that you've installed on your phone, right? Automatically. That means you don't need to worry about anything about being outdated when it comes to your apps. So, for instance, if you go to TikTok, right? Let's remove the... Okay. Our TikTok is loading a bit slow today for some reason. Okay, somebody's dancing. For example, there are certain features that TikTok may have rolled from their recent update, and you want to use them or to explore with them, and you don't see them on your device. Very easy. What you want to do, homegirl is really good at dancing. Anyway, what you want to do is exit TikTok, go to your Play Store or App Store, right? Tap on the search bar and search for TikTok, right? And here you're gonna see if there is a pending update, it's gonna say update. But if there isn't, that means your phone, it means either there is no update or your phone has already updated it for you, right? But if you know that your phone has not updated yet, you can do this, right? You can do this. Go to your settings. Again, this works for both iPhone and Android. Go to your apps. Right, in your apps, search for TikTok. It's gonna be on the very bottom under T. See TikTok, right? And in TikTok, what you want to do is tap on storage and tap clear data and clear cache on the bottom of the screen. After that, highly suggested to restart your phone and then go back to your Play Store or App Store and see whether or not there's an update. If not, you just want to probably just uninstall your TikTok and reinstall it again, which is a bit of a drag, but hey, you want that new feature. And yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.